Welcome back to our channel.
I'm excited to share a powerful elixir that will rejuvenate your skin, leaving you with smooth, youthful hands. The best part? The ingredients are likely already in your kitchen. By combining these natural ingredients, you'll experience amazing results. Let's dive into how this elixir works and the benefits of each component. Key ingredients and their benefits. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Deep moisturization, rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which deeply moisturizes and nourishes the skin by penetrating the skin's lipid barrier. Antioxidant protection, contains vitamin E, polyphenols, and other antioxidants that reduce free radicals and inflammation, promoting even skin tone. Hydration, keeps the skin hydrated and supple, reducing dryness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Lemon juice. Vitamin C boost, rich in ascorbic acid, essential for collagen synthesis, enhancing skin firmness and elasticity. Exfoliation. Citric acid exfoliates the skin, promoting cell turnover and revealing brighter skin while lightening dark spots and hyperpigmentation. 3. Honey. Humectant properties. Attracts and binds moisture to the skin, maintaining elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Antioxidant rich. Contains flavonoids and phenolic acids that neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging and reducing dark spots and fine lines. Antibacterial and healing. Includes hydrogen peroxide and methyl glyoxal, which keep the skin clean, clear, and blemish-free. 4. Sugar. Exfoliation. Helps remove dead skin cells from the surface, promoting smoother and brighter skin by exposing new cells and improving overall texture. Recipe for the rejuvenating elixir. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, preferably from a fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, preferably raw and organic, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Instructions. 1. Mix all ingredients together until well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to your hands, gently massaging for 2 to 4 minutes, focusing on areas with spots or dryness. 3. Leave the mixture on for 8 to 15 minutes to allow penetration. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Usage tips. Frequency. Use this elixir 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Sunscreen. Apply SPF 30+ sunscreen daily to protect against UV damage. Moisturize. Keep your hands hydrated with a rich hand cream. Wear gloves. Protect your hands during chores and cold weather. Avoid hot water. Use lukewarm water to prevent skin dryness. Exfoliate weekly. Gently remove dead skin cells for smoother hands. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water daily for healthy skin. Hand masks. Apply nourishing masks weekly for deep hydration. Antioxidant creams. Use products with vitamin C or E to protect your skin. Healthy diet. Consume a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and olive oil, avoiding refined and processed sugars. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both can damage the skin. Conclusion. Use this elixir 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll see tremendous changes in just a few weeks. Enjoy smoother, younger-looking hands, and share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most importantly, make it a great day.